G'day and welcome to my channel. Thank you for stopping by. Today I'm going to do another drone flight. I have the Phantom 3 Standard, the DJI Phantom 3 Standard here with me, and my controller of course. And you might be able to see, especially if I bring it up close, that it's got an it's got a filter system on the front of it. If I turn that up there. So I'm currently using an ND4 filter. So I'm hoping that'll give me some nice colours this morning. But the main reason for the flight is to see what we can achieve just using course lock. And if you're not sure what course lock is, it basically means you point the Phantom in the direction you want it to go, then you set course lock, and no matter which controller you use, you will only go in one direction. So it can either go forward, or it can go sideways, or it can go backwards and forwards, it can only go forwards and backwards. So that will give me the ability to go forward and turn while it's going forward, and a few other things like that. So check out the footage. I hope you like it. If you don't use course lock, I hope you give it a try after seeing this footage. Well, I haven't even flown yet, so I hope it turns out all right. Okay, so I hope that turned out all right. I'm pretty sure it did. Thank you very much for watching and taking the time to be here with me. If you're one of my regular supporters, thank you so much for sticking with me for the duration, and I hope you'll give me a like. If you're new to my channel, please hit that red supporter button underneath the video and allow me to be part of your world on YouTube, and maybe I can come over and be a part of your community on your YouTube channel as well. Take care for now. Bye. I'm Aussie Mark.